Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do the fresh and natural makeup look. So if you want to achieve this look, just keep on watching. The first product that I'm going to use is the Everbilena Advanced BB Cream. And blend it with a brush. To conceal my under eyes and pimple marks, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Honey. And blend it with a beauty blender. And I'm going to use the Maybelline Clearsmooth All-in-One Powder Foundation. For the brows, I'm going to use the Blythe Cosmetics Perfect Brow Trio. Just to refine my brows, I'm going to use the Music Flower Liquid Eyebrow Pen. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Lameila eyeshadow palette. And curl your lashes. For mascara, I'm going to use the Everbilena Volume Curl. I'm going to use the EB Advanced Contour Palette. And blend it with the angle brush. And contour the nose. For blush, I'm going to use the Careline All Control Blush On in the shade Red Velvet. the Bench Paint Box Bronzer. To add highlight, I'm going to use again the Lameila eyeshadow palette. For lips, I'm going to use the Allerias Lip and Cheek tint in the shade Sammy. And I'm gonna add the Colourette Supramatte in the shade Ellie. And for the last step, lip gloss. Keep safe everyone. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.